Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. How are you, everybody? Welcome back to English News. This is Mr. Ahmed Nassar, and today, inshallah, we are talking about the present simple tense. Let's start talking about the present simple. The present simple tense is one of the tenses that we use a lot in our everyday language. It consists of the base form of the verb play, go, come, like. With he, she, and it we add s. Plays, goes, comes, likes. I like cheese. We like cheese. You like cheese. They like cheese. In negative form, I don't like cheese. You don't like cheese. They don't like cheese. As we said, with he, she, and it, we add s to the verb. He likes. She likes. It likes. And to change into negative, we use doesn't. يبقى the present simple tense consists of the base form of the verb, that means verb with no additions, like play, go, come, like. If the subject is he, she, it, third person singular, أي مفرد في الحالة ديت we add s. Plays, goes, comes. But keep in mind, not all verbs take s directly. Sometimes we add es. Sometimes we add ies. Verbs ends in ch, s, sh, o, x take es. To say, he watches. She guesses. My dad finishes. He goes. Ali fixes. All letters in English are consonant except the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. بنسميهم الحروف المتحركة. If our verb ends in Y after consonants, we add IES. Y is omitted, بنحذف الواي وبنضيف بدلها IES. Like study ends in Y. After consonant, Y is omitted and we add IES. Carry, Y, consonant, we add IES. Fly. How to ask and how to make short answer. We use do and does to make question. Do I like cheese? Do you like cheese? Do we like cheese? Do they like cheese? Does with he, she, and it. Does he like cheese? Does she like cheese? Does it like cheese? يبقى بنستخدم do إذا كان الفعل بدون s، يعني مع I, you, we, they. بنستخدم does لو كان الفعل آخره s مع he, she, and it. How to make short answer. To say, do you like cheese? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he play tennis? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. The usage. Things that are always true. We use the present simple to talk about facts, to express facts. Like, the earth goes round the sun. It's a fact. I am a student. Fact. Also, we use it if we are talking about habits or schedules. To say, the school starts at 8 a.m. and finishes at 3:30 p.m. Ali brushes his teeth before he goes to bed. And also we use the present simple with adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency, they are adverbs that describe how often does the action take place. الحال الذي يدل على التكرار زي never, rarely, sometimes, usually, often, always. We use the present simple with all adverbs of frequency. Let's have this exercise to check our understanding. Mary plays tennis every day. Mary singular takes S, plays. My friends always eat lunch at school. Friends plural as it is. Eat base verb. It snows in the winter in Canada. Snows. Sometimes my parents wake up not early. That means we need negative sentence. My parents don't wake up. James drink not. James doesn't drink. We use don't if we have base verb without S. We use doesn't if we have verb plus S. We watch not television every night. We don't watch. Exercise 2. Make yes or no questions to go with the highlighted answer. Yes, Sandra likes to speak English. Does Sandra like to speak English? Well, now we use does if the verb ends with S. No, Pete and Dave don't live in Montreal. Do Pete and Dave live in Montreal? This is the end of our lesson for today. Thank you everybody. See you next time. If you have any question, you can leave a comment. Please don't forget to subscribe for our channel. Thank you and goodbye.